Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set an analog or a digital clock on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on lock screen. Next, go down and tap on clock style. In here, you can choose between a 3 digital clocks or an analog clock. So there is an analog clock with the numbers, or you can choose an analog clock with a dot. And that's it. So select one of the clock style and then tap on the done button. Now if you lock your screen and turn on your lock screen, you can see this is the new clock style that I have just set. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.